Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the strain gauge transducer. First of all, we have to discuss about the basic working principle of the strain gauge transducer. If I'm talking about basic working principle of the strain gauge is R equal to rho L divided by A. Here we are applying a strain. Strain means strain is defined as the ratio of change in length delta L to unit length. This is known as strain. And if I am talking about the basic concept is R is equal to rho L by A. If we are changing the length of the conductor, R will be changes. This is the basic concept of the strain gauge transducers. The strain gauge is basically passive transducer. It is one of the most extensively used electrical transducer. Its popularity stems from the fact that it can detect and convert force or small mechanical displacement into electrical signal. Many other quantities such as torque, pressure, weight, tension, etc., which involve effect of the force or displacement, can be measured by the strain gauge. The strain gauge is based on a principle of conversion of mechanical displacement into resistance changes. The strain gauge uses the variation in electrical resistance in a wire to sense the strain produced by the force or wire. इफ़ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेसिक वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल, अगर हम बेसिक वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे जो है हम एक वायर लेंगे, वायर पे जो है स्ट्रेन अप्लाई करेंगे। स्ट्रेन की वजह से जो है वायर की लेंथ में जो है चेंजेज होगा। वायर की लेंथ में चेंज होने की वजह से जो है आर का वैल्यू चेंज होगा और आर के वैल्यू को जो है हम डिटेक्ट कर लेंगे और इसके अकॉर्डिंग जो है फर्स्ट वी कन्वर्ट quantity like torque, pressure, weight, tension, etc. into displacement, and displacement will convert it into electrical quantity with the help of secondary transducer. The secondary transducer will be strain gauge transducer. Now I will discuss about the principle of operation and construction of strain gauge. The working of strain gauge is based on a fact that when stress is applied on a metal conductor, the resistance changes owing to change the length and cross section area of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor under the stress is also changed due to the change in resistivity of the conductor. This property is called piezoresistive effect. That's why gauges are also called the piezoresistive strain gauge. The material used for fabrication of electrical gauge must possess some basic quantities to achieve high accuracy, excellent reproducibility, good sensitivity, long life, ability to operate under the liquid environment condition. दैट मीन्स इफ़ अगर हम बात करते हैं बेसिक वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे बेसिक वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल जो है आर इज इक्वल टू रो एल डिवाइड बाई ए। अगर हम स्ट्रेस अप्लाई करेंगे तो एल चेंज होगा, क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया चेंज होगा, रेजिस्टिविटी चेंज होगा, जिसकी वजह से जो है आर का वैल्यू चेंज होगा। आर का वैल्यू जो चेंज होगा उसको जो है हम डिटेक्ट कर लेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्रिज AC bridges, measuring AC bridges in the form of voltage and current, and the stress is measured. This is the basic working principle of the strain gauge transducers. Now I will discuss about the type of strain gauge. The type of strain gauge are three type of strain gauge shown in block diagram 1.3. Resistive wire strain gauge, foil strain gauge, semiconductor strain gauge. The resistive wire strain gauge are two type: bounded wire resistance strain gauge and unbounded wire resistance strain gauge. These are the bounded wire resistance strain gauge. The material used for manufacturing thin sheet of paper of bakelite and telephone are used for making bonded wire resistance gauge. After that, I will discuss about the unbounded wire resistance strain gauge. This is the figure of resistance wire. These are the conductor A, conductor B, conductor C, and conductor D, and moving armature. This is the moving armature. Supporting pillar is here. Movement of armature and supporting pillar. Stationary frame. Resistance wire. In this figure, we are applying strain here. If we apply strain here, stress here, then the length, cross section area and resistivity of the conductor will changes. That changes the resistance of the conductor, which induces the voltage in AC bridges. And after that I will discuss. These are the AC bridges. These are A, B, C and D. Due to, if we are apply a stress on a unbounded wire resistance strain gauge transducer, then the according to stress R it changes. This changes R will detected by this detector. These are the AC bridges is used for measuring the change of the resistance of unbounded wire resistance strain gauge. And next is foil strain gauge. This type of gauge strain is detected using metal foil. The metal and alloy used for the fort and wire or nichrome, nickel, tungsten and platinum are used for making foil strain gauge. These are the foil strain gauge, and after that I will discuss about the semiconductor gauge. These are the semiconductor material is used. This element is manufactured by the semiconductor material, and these are the gold lead, base, and electrodes. In this type of strain gauge are used when high value of gauge factor is desired. जब गेज फैक्टर हाई की ज़रूरत होती है उस केस में जो है सेमीकंडक्टर स्ट्रेन गेज हम यूज करते हैं. दियर गेज फैक्टर इज 40 to 50 टाइम एज हाई एज वायर गेज. वायर गेज से जो है 40 से 50 टाइम्स हायर होता है इसका गेज फैक्टर. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑपरेशन ऑफ द semiconductor strain gauge is piezoresistive effect. The change in a value of resistance due to change in resistivity of semiconductor because of strain applied. However, in a metallic gauge, the change in resistance is mainly due to the change in dimension when strain semiconductor material are used. Germanium and silicon are used for the semiconductor strain gauge. The semiconductor water या filament used has a thickness of 0.05 millimeter. They have bonded on a suitable insulating substrates such as Teflon. Gold lead are used for making contact. Gauge factor of this type of strain gauge is about 130 plus minus 10 for a unit 150 ohm. The gauge factor is measured at a room temperature. The gauge is stable and can be operated with the conventional indicating and recording system. It measures a small strain for a 0.1 to 500 microstrain. Semiconductor strain gauge are used for measure small strain from 0.1 to 500 microstrain, and it has higher gauge factor compared to bonded, unbonded, and foil strain gauge. Thank you very much. Thank you.